Hey guys, just doing a real quick video. Swamp Fox News here coming at you. Look at this water heater. This is a tank water heater, and this is the problems you have with tank water heaters. And look here, I came up here and look at this pipe. Look, I lifted it straight off. It didn't even have to be busted off. It really could have flooded. It's in an attic. It could have caused thousands of dollars in damage. So luckily we are fixing it. What I'm putting in its place is this electric tankless water heater. Man, these things are great. This will run 2 showers and 2 faucets at the same time, so you can be doing dishes and leave them constantly running. You'll never lose hot water. They go up to 140 degrees. Easy installation, but it requires 3 40-amp breakers, and that's why I'm wiring it up right now. Each wire, you got to have 8-auger wire, and so you know, for your 2 hots and your ground. And so anyway, and then you got to put 3 40-amp breakers in at the panel. But just showing you guys what I'm doing today. Me and Fred, we're taking out this old system and putting in this new one. These new electric systems are the best. God bless everyone. Have a great day.